сделать запись. Оно уже идет, да? Welcome to Trading School and good day to all students of our trading webinars. My name is Tatiana Besedina. I am an interpreter, translator and financial consultant. We will work together at our Financial Trading School webinars. The topic of our webinar today is how to make money. In order to talk about it, we need special terminology and definitions, and we will learn the meaning of all these terms that you need to become a trader. What is a trader? What are his aims? Why and how do we choose financial market? What types of market exists? How does a financial market work? And some other important issues regarding trading. In this slide, you see a person that we call a trader. Who is a trader? Trader is a person who enables to transfer financial funds into financial markets. He can do it for himself, and also he can do it on behalf of an individual person. It's easy to understand. Just suppose you have money and you would like to raise your money. A good decision in your case is to invest your money into a financial market. How to do it in the best way? This is the task of a trader, to find the best way to multiply your assets and make profit for you. Next slide. Here is, it describes financial market. Why do we speak about financial about financial markets and about investing money into financial markets? Financial market exists to assist the process of cooperation and interaction between, see please at the slide, between providers of capital, such as savers, investors, and users of capital, like companies and governmental institutions. A financial market aim is to permit and assist bargains and deals with mutual profit for both parties. Financial market has been designed to do business without difficulties and obstacles, without any problem. You can find financial markets nearly everywhere in the world. Financial markets can be both small ones with few participants only, or huge and impressive, like the New York Stock Exchange, and forex markets that can trade, pay attention please, trillions of dollars per day. Investors can come easily to a large number of financial markets and exchanges representing an impressive array of financial products. Some of these markets always been free for private investors. Others are the fields of activity for main international banks and financial professionals. This slide depicts the constituents of financial market. Financial market consists of as you see in the slide, capital markets, stock markets, bond markets, money markets, forex and interbank markets, derivatives markets, cash or spot markets. What is a capital market? A capital market is one in which individuals and institutions trade financial securities. Organizations and institutions in the public and private sectors also often sell securities on the capital markets in order to raise funds. Thus, this type of market is composed of both the primary and secondary markets that I will explain a little bit later. Stock markets. Stock markets allow investors to buy and sell shares in publicly traded companies. Bond markets. What is a bond? Why do we call this market bond, a bond market? A bond is a debt investment in which an investor loans money to an entity, corporate or governmental, which borrows the funds for a defined period of time at a fixed interest rate. Bonds are used by companies, municipalities, states, and foreign governments to finance a variety of projects and activities. Stock markets allow investors to buy and sell shares in publicly traded companies. The next market in our slide is money market. The money market is a segment of the financial market in which financial instruments with high liquidity and very short maturities are traded. The money market is used by participants as a means for borrowing and lending in the short term, short period, from several days to just under a year. The next market that I would like to present, it is Forex and the interbank market. About Forex market I will speak in another slide, but now I must say that interbank market is the financial system and trading of currencies among banks and financial institutions, excluding retail investors and smaller trading parties. While some interbank trading is performed by banks on behalf of large customers, most interbank trading takes place from the bank's own accounts. Speaking about primary markets and secondary markets, I must say that this is the capital markets that may also be divided into primary markets and secondary markets. What is the difference here? Newly formed issued securities are bought or sold in primary markets, such as during initial public offerings. Secondary markets allow investors to buy and sell existing securities. The transactions in primary markets exist between issuers and investors, while secondary market transactions exist among investors. This is the difference. Then I would like to tell some words about derivatives markets. Derivatives markets Speaking about this kind of market, we must say that the derivative is named so for a reason. Its value is derived from its underlying asset or assets. A derivative, what is a derivative? A derivative is a contract, but in this case, the contract price is determined by the market price of the core asset. If that sounds too much complicated, it is because it is so. Now we will speak about cash and spot markets. Cash and spot market, they are highly sophisticated, with opportunities for both big losses and big gains. In the cash market, goods are sold for cash and are delivered immediately. The cash market is complex and delicate, and generally not suitable for inexperienced traders, so you must be very careful with cash market. The cash markets tend to be dominated by so-called institutional market players such as hedge funds, limited partnerships, and corporate investors. In our future webinars, we will discuss this, but as of now, I can say that hedge funds, it is so kind of fund which uses the techniques of hedging. This is for limiting big losses. That we will discuss this in future. So in this slide, we have given you the general knowledge or general revise of the constituents of financial market. Next slide is devoted to Forex. Foreign exchange market. This is how we call it, or Forex, or FX, or currency market. It is a global, decentralized market for the trading of currencies. What else can we say about Forex? We can say that this is the largest, most liquid market in the world, with an average traded value that exceeds, just pay attention, exceeds 1.9 trillions of American dollars per day, and it includes all the currencies in the world. Any person, any company or firm, any country may participate in this market. The next slide that we would like to show you is an example of the platform MetaTrader 4. What is it? Here in our first webinar, in short, we can say that this is a simple example of market, and it consists of currency pairs. Please mind, here it is, commodities, actions, which everything, all events that take place in the market, you can see here. Further down, you can see terminal, and there is a graph of financial market. See how it happens, how it is going on. And we will explain it for you later on in our webinars in future. So this is MetaTrader 4. The next slide. Here you can see market hours.